Electrical conductivity is the property of a material that determines how well it can allow the flow of electric current. It is measured in Siemens per meter and represented by the Greek letter sigma. Materials with high electrical conductivity, such as copper, silver, and aluminum, have free-moving electrons that enable electricity to pass through them easily. These materials are commonly used in electrical wiring and electronic components because they efficiently carry current with minimal energy loss. On the other hand, materials like rubber, glass, and plastic have very low electrical conductivity and are known as insulators. They resist the flow of electric current and are used to protect or isolate electrical circuits. The opposite of conductivity is resistivity, and the two are mathematically related as conductivity equals 1 divided by resistivity. Understanding electrical conductivity is essential in designing electrical systems, selecting appropriate materials, and improving the performance of electronic devices.